Have you ever looked at some photos you took and asked yourself why they look so amateur? Even with a good camera, you purchased the right gear, you watched a lot of tutorials, and your photos are sharp and well exposed. But still something wrong. So what is the problem? The truth is most amateur looking images are not because of a bad camera. They are mostly caused by a few common mistakes like composition, light, and storytelling. And in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix it. One of the biggest reasons that a photo can look amateur is because there are a lot of things happening in the frame. Beginners often try to include everything. Flowers, sky, a car, maybe a building, and your viewers end up looking at nothing. Professional photographers simplify. They get rid of the distraction and they guide their viewer's eye exactly to the main subject. This concept is called subtraction. If you want to know more about subtraction in photography, especially landscape photography, watch this video of mine right over here. Professional photographers, instead of asking what can I add to the frame, they ask themselves, what can I remove? Sometimes just taking 2 steps left or 2 steps right or zooming in or just changing your focal length can totally transform and change your image. The best tool to do this is a telephoto lens. They isolate the subject and get rid of the distraction. Wide-angle lenses are amazing as well, only when the environment exactly supports the story. Another reason that your images look amateur is bad light. Even a very average camera can produce and create wonderful images in good light, and vice versa, an expensive camera can struggle in ugly light. Most beginners start shooting as soon as they arrive at the location under the harsh midday light, but professionals chase light. They wait for the golden hour, they wait for the soft light, they wait for a directional light, and sometimes they wait for dramatic weather. Light creates depth, mood, and emotion. Without good light, images are gonna look flat, boring, and lifeless. So instead of asking yourself, what camera should I buy? Ask yourself, what is the best light for this scene? That single change can elevate your photography level immediately. A strong photo usually has a very strong subject that grabs your attention immediately. But many of the amateur images really don't have a subject. And the viewer looks at the frame and asks himself, what is the main subject? Is it the tree? Is it the car? Is it the building? Is it the train? The point is, when you identify the subject, start making the composition around it using leading lines, framing, contrast, negative space, and depth to guide your viewer's eye to your subject. And don't forget that if everything in the frame is important, then there is nothing important. Another common mistake is just shooting everything from eye level. Just don't raise your camera to your eye and start shooting. Changing the perspective can change everything. Instead of shooting at eye level, just get lower or get higher and look down at your subject. Step away, step closer. Even a small change in camera position can create stronger depth, cleaner background, and a better composition. When you look at the professional photographers, you can notice that they just spend some time just going around their subject and taking a photo from different angles with different lighting or different composition. And my advice to you is not just photograph the scene, work the scene. And when it comes to editing, editing is supposed to enhance your image, and over editing is gonna ruin it. One of the fastest way to destroy your image and make it look amateur is too much saturation, too much sharpness, exaggerated colors, and excessive HDR. So by exaggerating and overdoing, you're not gonna help your image, you're gonna ruin it. Don't forget that a good edit is gonna support the image, not scream for attention. A good edit is the one that when you look at it, you don't notice that it has been edited because it looks so natural and intentional. And do not forget that editing is the spice, and too much spice is gonna ruin the meal. I've heard some photographers say that if I copy the gear that professional photographer is using, my photos, my images is gonna look the same. That is not true because gears are not the main difference. Vision is. Professionals understand light, composition, storytelling, timing, and emotions. The truth is, a beginner with a good vision, with a good eye for photography, can make professional images even with a basic camera. And some other people with very expensive gears can create very boring images. Instead of constantly upgrade your equipment, upgrade your ability to see, train your eye, watch movies, look at some photography magazines, look for composition in everyday life, study the light and shades. Also, you can look at some paintings. If you want to know how to train your photographic eye, watch this video of mine right here. And don't forget that photography is not about cameras, it's all about observation. If your photos still look amateur, don't be discouraged. Most of the time, the solution is not a new camera. It's simplifying the frame, improving your light, finding a clear subject, changing perspective, edit with restraint, and finally developing your artistic vision. Master these fundamentals and your photography is gonna change dramatically. And again, don't forget that photography is all about subtraction, not addition. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. If you found it useful, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I post a new video every week on Monday or Tuesday. And if you have any question, just leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy and honored to answer them. As usual, take good care of yourself. Keep shooting. I see you in the next video. Cheers.